Hello students, welcome to Sort of Search classes. For any doubts in today's video, please WhatsApp us at 919836793076 or email us at sortofsearchclasses@gmail.com. You can also log on to our website, which is www.sortofsearchclasses.com. Today we are going to solve the question paper of IIT JAM Statistics 2017. We will start with the first question. The first question says the imaginary part of the eigenvalues of the matrix, you are given a matrix, a 3x3 matrix, are 0, 0, 0, 2, minus 2, 0, 1, minus 1, 0 and 3, minus 3, 0. So to find the eigenvalues of this particular matrix, we will just transform the matrix by applying some row operations. You have 3, 2, 0, 2, minus 3, 0 and 5, 6, minus 3, which becomes 3, 2, 5, 2, minus 3, 3, 0, 0, minus 3. This is just after adding row 2 to row 3. So here this is row 2 plus row 3 in place of row 2. Now we will apply another transformation. This becomes 3, 2, 5, 2, minus 3, 0, 0, 0, minus 3. This is another R2 plus R3 in place of R2. The point of doing this was just to make this element, the third column and the second row, this element 0. Doing this once again, we get 1, 5, 5, 2, minus 3, 0 and 0, 0, minus 3. Now this is just R1 minus R2 in place of R1. Another time we get 1, 5, 5, 0, minus 3, minus 5, 0, 0, minus 3. This is just R2 minus 2R1 in place of R2. So after applying some transformations, what we have been able to do is we have been able to transform these matrix into an upper triangular matrix. So I beg your pardon, here this will be minus 13 because it's minus 3 minus 2 times 5, which is minus 3 minus 10, which is minus 30. Therefore we know that the eigenvalues of the matrix are 1, minus 3 and minus 13. Therefore A 0, 0, 0, 0 are the imaginary parts of the eigenvalues. So this A is the correct answer. Let us move on to the next question. The next question says, let U, V belong to R4 such that U is 1, 2, 3, 5 transpose and V is 5, 3, 2, 1 transpose. So you are given two vectors in R4 and you have been given an equation U V transpose X is equal to V, and we have to find how many solutions does this equation have. So let us see what U V transpose means. U V transpose is 1, 2, 3, 5, 5 3 2 1, which is equal to 5 3 2 1, then twice 5 3 2 1, which is 10 6 4 2, then thrice 5 3 2 1, which is 15 9 6 3, and 5 times 5 3 2 1, which is 25 15 10 5. Suppose you have some x1 x2 x3 x4. This has to be equal to v, which is 5 3 2 1. So this equation becomes 5x1 plus 3x2 plus 2x3 plus x4 is equal to 5. The second row gives us 10x1 plus 6x2 plus 4x3 plus 2x4, which note is just twice 5x1 plus 3x2 plus 2x3 plus x4, and it has to be 3. So if we call this y equal to 5 and y equals to 6, which cannot happen. Therefore, we see that there can exist no solution such that this matrix satisfies it. Hence, B, no solution, is the correct answer. Let us move on to the next problem. The next problem is, a sequence is given un, which is equal to 4 minus 1 by n to the power minus 1 to the n by n, and let L equal to limit n goes to infinity un. So the options are L equal to 0 and sum over n equal to 1 to infinity un is convergent, L equal to 1 by 4 and sum over n equal to 1 to infinity un is divergent, L equal to 1 by 4 and un is oscillating, and L equal to 1 and sum over un is divergent. So now, since we have a minus 1 to the power n here, why don't we just separate the or and the even terms of the sequence? What is the even term? u2n, it would be equal to 4 minus 1 by 2n times minus 1 to the power 2n, which is 1 by 2n, and u2n minus 1 would be 4 minus 1 by 2n minus 1 minus 1 by 2n minus 1, which is equal to 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2n minus 1 to the power 2n minus 1. Now suppose L equal to limit n goes to infinity, limit n goes to infinity, u2n would be equal to L, but here since 4 minus 1 by 2n to the power 1 by 2n and 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2n minus 1 to the power 2n minus 1, one of them occur in numerator and the other one occurs in denominator, we have the limit of u2n minus 1 must go to 1 by L. Therefore, L has to be equal to 1 by L, which implies L equal to 1. Now since L is 1, of course sum over un is divergent, because if sum over un had to converge, then the terms un had to go to 0 eventually. Un does not go to 0 as n goes to infinity. I'll just say once more, u2n is 4 minus 1 by 2n to the power 1 by 2n. u2n minus 1 is 4 minus 1 by 2n minus 1 whole to the power minus 1 by 2n minus 1, which is equal to 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2n minus 1 to the power 2n minus 1. Now if we look at the sequence 4 minus 1 by n to the power 1 by n, if this sequence has to converge, then this has to go to L, and the bottom part, the denominator of u2n minus 1 has to go to L. So this entire thing has to go to 1 by L. Now L has to be equal to 1 by L because un converges to L, and any two sequences, this is something that we are using, any two subsequences of un converges to L, which gives us L equal to 1 by L, and so L is equal to 1 because L cannot be minus 1 as these are all positive, and so D is the correct answer. Thank you.